Wow, guys, Ishin. Right there, Ishin. You see that? That's an awesome thing. Now, you guys, if you follow the channel, know that I have another Ishin product, which is awesome. The Ishin Seagull from Adam RC in collaboration with Adam RC. It's also very cool. Let's see what the remote looks like. This is the remote here. It's falling apart. No, it isn't. Okay. Let's get back to the review here. Let's see how many batteries. Oh, this also only requires 3 batteries. It's interesting. They're starting to shrink the amount of batteries you need on these remotes. Alright, so it has a very cheap, but I'm sure it'll be fine. The trim, I guess it's the speed. Let's see. This is the charger, clearly. But where's the camera? It's supposed to have a camera. Let's see.
Likey